Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Bolascotv. How you all doing? Happy New Year. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome, and if you're a new subscriber, yay, welcome. In today's video, we are having family New Year feast. This is so much interesting. This is all you can eat menu. There's so much going on, as you can tell. Look at my front. First of all, let me tell you about this giant turkey. This is a 25-pound big giant turkey right there. This turkey was soaked in thyme and salt water for 3 days. This is a whole giant turkey right there. Then afterward, it was seasoned for 7 good days. Like, as you can see, it was all buried with seasoning. I've never seen this huge turkey before, ever. The whole cooking process takes 7 solid hours. To cook this turkey, it takes you 7 good hours. Then we have to gaze it every hour just to make sure. As you can see, we're checking the temperature of the turkey just to make sure it is well cooked and ready to eat. And now our turkey is ready. It is so yummy. This is the most tastiest turkey I've ever tasted. It is so yummy. Everything was well seasoned. So in today's video, you'll be learning some easy and delicious meal ideas for large family. This is a whole lot of work, guys, but it's worth it at the end because it's a buffet table and it's all you can eat, guys. All you can eat. Today is the 1st of January and we are having a family feast for the New Year celebration. You would definitely learn a lot in this video. So I advise, if you are in the kitchen, you will be inspired to ignite your stove and start cooking right away because these are easy, yummy, delicious recipes. Next on our menu is the crowded rice. You can use basmati, you can use long grain rice for this step. So I just had all of these ingredients in one pan and stir fry them. Then after that, I'm gonna be cooking my rice on the other side in the chicken water, in the chicken broth, so that way our rice is well seasoned and yummy. After everything is stir fry, I will just go ahead and add my coleslaw. This step is optional, but I love my food to be colorful because we eat with our eyes first. So I will just go ahead and add that and stir fry it. You can take out the purple cabbage if you want, but I just like it to be colorful. I'm cooking my basmati rice in a separate pot and I'm cooking it in the chicken broth. Then I'll go ahead and mix everything in one pot. Look at how colorful it is, guys. This is very delicious. Believe me, this food is colorful and delicious. And now our crowded colorful rice is ready. The reason why it's called crowded rice is you can add any goodies of your choice, your protein, your vegetable. Moving on to our next menu. The next on our list now is a delicious jollof rice. Now moving on to the next menu. This is a jollof rice, delicious jollof rice. So I already premixed everything in the pot. Then I'm just gonna let it sit and fry like for a while before I will go ahead and add my rice. After adding my rice, I will stir it and make sure it's cooking in a low heat so that it's not burned. Look at that, guys, how rich, how colorful that looks. This is so yummy, delicious, and the steps are so easy. And now our jollof rice is ready to go. The next on the list is the fried fish sauce. I already pre-seasoned this fish and is washed and cleaned. I like to fry my fish with some onions, garlic, and ginger to give it a taste. As you can see, I'll be frying this fish with a low heat and a minimal oil. So yummy. Look at that color. On to the next one. Our family dinner is not complete without a spicy pepper soup, guys. You know what I mean? Here in Canada, it is extremely cold, and we've been having extreme cold warning for the past days. So now our table needs something spicy, something hot that will make you sweat. You know what I mean? We have to let out all the cold in our body, guys. I cook my pepper soup differently, right? Depending on my mood. Sometimes I just want just water, spicy water right there. And sometimes I just had some garlic, ginger, habanero pepper, something to just chew on, especially when it's extremely cold. I want to clear my chest, guys. After I pour all the dry ingredients in the water, I let it boil completely. Then another thing I like to do is to sieve out the all the particles, or whatever you want to call it. I just sieve them out. This step is optional. You can add whatever you like, or you can, wish not to add anything. But, like I said, today I am feeling a whole mood. So I want something chunky I can chew on in my pepper soup. This pepper soup tastes so good, and the smell, oh my god, the smell is amazing. This is what they call disturb your neighbor. Your neighbor does not have a choice than to come knock at your door and like, what am I smelling? Our delicious, yummy pepper soup is so ready. Look at that, guys. I know you guys must have been wondering, where is the swallow in all of this menu? Guys, I got you. Here is your swallow. Our table is not complete without this delicious, crowded. I love anything crowded, guys. Okra soup. There is so much commotion in this pot. There's so much going on. This is how we want it. Yes, they have to be crowded. It has to be delicious and yummy. And you can step this down with any swallow of your choice, but as requested, they wanted amala. Another super delicious yummy menu on our list is the curry goat. The curry goat is so yummy. This is a very lengthy video, so I'll do a whole video on how to make this from scratch. I just try to put all the details in this video, but this might not be enough. This is the delicious yummy goat. You can use this to eat white rice, rice and beans. This is so yummy. My Jamaican friend taught me this. This is so delicious. Next on our list is this Korean style smoked chicken. This is a hard chicken right there, but this has to be smoked. If you're enjoying this video, definitely give this video a thumbs up, and you can share this video with your friends and family. Remember, sharing is caring, and remember to subscribe to my channel. It's free, guys. If you are still watching this video in your phone or on your TV, definitely you are enjoying this recipe and you're enjoying this video. You've been watching this video for the past 20 minutes. So now it's time to compensate you. So you have to come closer, bring your plate and let me serve you some delicious food. I'd like to know in the comment section below which one is your favorite meal, which one is your favorite recipe, and which one you have tried and which one you would like to try. I would really love to hear from you guys. For me, I love everything on this table. We have really had fun with this family feast, end of the year celebration, and now it is time to wash dishes. Oh my god, after all of this work we still have to wash dishes, guys. So for it to be fun and easy, we just started to dance to some music in the background, and it was easy and much faster to finish all the dishes. so much for watching, and that'll be all for this video. Have a prosperous new year. Bye guys, love you. Bye.